Hey everyone, it's Kath and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to tackle all about makeup brushes. So right now I have here all of my makeup brushes, and if this is the first time that you'll be using makeup brushes and you want to know the uses of them, please keep on watching. Guys, we're done, and these are just all the brushes that you need to buy. There are still a lot of brushes out there, and there are still different uses for them. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you learned something for today's video, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below what is your favorite brush, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you on my next one. Stay confident. Bye, guys.